Hey, this is Avery once again. Thanks for stopping back by the channel. I really do appreciate you all being here. Wanted to give a little bit of an update. We've had a poll out there. Not too many people have answered it yet, but everybody that has so far is saying that one of the things they want to see more of is equipment reviews. And so I am working on it pretty actively right now, trying to find ways to get more equipment to review. I've got a couple of leads on things that hopefully, I don't know what the timetable is going to be, if it's going to be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month, but hopefully here soon I'm going to have a few more things to review and to get some unboxings on. I've also got a few things that I need to address with existing equipment, like the firmware upgrade on this RT3S. Um, and I've got a few other pieces of equipment that I can drag out and dust off that might not be the newest, but you might want to see a little bit of a review of. So I'll be looking at that in coming weeks. And also want to take a look at the software side of some things as well. And so I'll probably be walking you through the Radioddity site and setup for that for DMR. Some apps for the phone that you can actually do DMR without buying a radio. Just use the radio you carry with you all the time, every day anyway. There are a couple of good approaches there. And so we've got a lot of things coming up. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for commenting, for liking, subscribing, and thank you for those of you that wish to support the channel through becoming members and sponsors of the channel. If you look below the subscribe button or next to the subscribe button about there-ish, you'll find the join button. And so if you want to help sponsor the channel and help it make possible for us to do more equipment reviews and more and better, neat and fun stuff, then please do so. And we thank you so much in advance for that. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you here again soon. Y'all take care. Thanks.